Hey there, folks. Today, I've got something really special to share with you, the CoVibrant Wide Rolling Stool. Let me tell you, this stool isn't your ordinary one. It's designed with comfort and functionality in mind, especially for those with larger hips. First off, let's talk about the design. Unlike traditional round stools, this one boasts a rectangular shape, providing better support and care for your hips. With an extended size of 19 inches, it's incredibly spacious, so you can bid farewell to any worries about it being too small. Now, onto the seat itself. It's uniquely curved in a slight U-shape, ensuring that you stay centered and balanced while seated. This feature is fantastic for maintaining body posture and preventing any unwanted sliding. Moving on to the wheels. They're made of smooth rubber, which not only prevents annoying noises but also protects your floors from scratches. Plus, with 2 brakes, you can roll around with confidence, knowing that the stool won't move unexpectedly. Let's not forget about the footrest. It's sturdy and durable, directly welded to the base for effortless installation. Everyone can enjoy the comfort of this stool without any hassle. And versatility? This stool has it in spades. With adjustable seat height ranging from 23 to 30 inches, it's suitable for various uses, whether it's in the kitchen, office, workshop, salon, or spa, you name it. Measuring at 22 inches in diameter and width, and standing at 24 inches in height, this stool offers ample space while maintaining a modern and sleek appearance. In terms of construction, it's built to last with a metal frame and faux leather seat material, ensuring durability and easy maintenance. All in all, the CoVibrant Wide Rolling Stool is a game changer, especially for those looking for a comfortable and practical seating solution, especially catering to larger hips. So if you're in the market for a stool that ticks all the boxes, look no further. This one's a winner. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.